Evidence and healthcare. Healthcare decisions should always be informed by the best available evidence. When making informed decisions about health, it is important that we don't rely on the results from a single study. A single study can be inaccurate or misleading and does not always give the full picture, and sometimes we only hear about surprising or dramatic findings. However, by carefully combining the results of multiple studies investigating the same thing, we can get a fuller picture of the evidence. This method is called evidence synthesis. Evidence syntheses include things like systematic reviews, rapid reviews, and they can help figure out things like how effective a certain treatment or drug is, and how people have experienced a particular health condition or treatment. Evidence synthesis has saved many lives. For example, women at risk of preterm birth are given steroids to help save the life of their newborn. This is done because the findings from an evidence synthesis of available research showed it helps save babies' lives. Good quality evidence syntheses, like those done by Cochrane or the Campbell Collaboration, provide a thorough and authoritative summary of all the available evidence. The research studies included in an evidence synthesis should be identified in ways that are systematic and transparent. The quality of the included studies should also be checked. Using these methods helps make evidence synthesis a valuable tool for making good healthcare decisions. Rapid reviews. A rapid review is a form of evidence synthesis. Rapid reviews combine the findings of multiple research studies investigating the same thing. Rapid reviews try to do this in a systematic, resource-efficient way. Rapid reviews are useful in both emergency and non-emergency situations. Rapid reviews speed up the process of conducting a conventional systematic review. This may mean simplifying or omitting things done in a conventional systematic review, such as trying to find the answer to a smaller, more focused question rather than a bigger, broader question, limiting the search for studies to include, and only including studies in a small number of languages. However, a rapid review will follow the same steps as a conventional systematic review. Through using systematic and transparent methods to identify studies to be included, select studies to be included, check how well the included studies were done, and analyse the data. We'd like to understand what people think we should do to make rapid reviews better. That's why we are running the Priority 3 Priority Setting Partnership. A priority setting partnership helps to ensure that those who are funding health research are aware of what really matters to patients, carers and clinicians. This partnership brings together the public, reviewers, researchers, funders, policymakers and clinicians to agree a top 10 list of the most important questions about how we plan, do and share the findings of rapid reviews.